How's your morning going?
Pretty good, John. I woke up a little late, but I'm feeling fine now. How about you?
Same. I was super tired. I stayed up way too late watching a movie.
Oh no, what movie?
A movie about food. It made me so hungry. Even now, I want a big breakfast.
Perfect, because today we are talking about ordering food at a restaurant.
Oh, nice. I love eating at restaurants.
Me too, and I think this topic is super useful for English beginners.
Yeah, definitely. Most people travel or go out to eat sometimes, so knowing how to order food in English is helpful.
For sure. So, let's imagine we are going out to breakfast together. What's the first thing we say?
Well, we walk into the restaurant and the host or hostess says, "Hello, table for two?"
And we answer, "Yes, please." Simple.
Right. Then we sit down and get the menu. I always take forever to read the menu.
I know, you always look at every single item.
Hey, I just want to choose the best thing. Food is important.
That's true. So we look at the menu, then the server comes and says something like, "Are you ready to order?" or "What can I get you?"
And if we need more time, we can say, "Could we have a few more minutes, please?"
Yes, that's a great polite sentence. Could we have a few more minutes, please?
Very good for beginners. But okay, let's say we are ready to order.
What would you get for breakfast?
Maybe pancakes. I love pancakes with butter and a lot of syrup.
Oh, that sounds good.
So I tell the server, "I'd like the pancakes, please." Or, "Can I have the pancakes, please?"
Both are perfect. And don't forget drinks. What would you drink?
Coffee. Always coffee. "Can I get a cup of coffee, please?"
Nice. And maybe the server asks, "How do you want your coffee?" or "Anything in your coffee?"
I say, "Just milk, please."
Good choice. I love iced coffee, but breakfast, I'll take orange juice.
So how do you order?
I'd say, "I'll have the orange juice, please."
So simple. I think people worry too much. You don't need big words.
Exactly. Just be friendly, smile, say please and thank you.
That's the magic.
Okay, now what if you want to change something, like you want no tomatoes or you want a side of fruit?
Oh, you can say, "Can I have it without tomatoes?" Or, "Could I get fruit on the side?"
Yes, those are super useful phrases.
And if you don't understand something on the menu, you can ask, "What is this?" Or, "How is this made?"
Or, "Do you have any recommendations?" I love asking that.
Me too. The staff knows the best stuff.
Okay, so we order, the server brings our food, and it looks amazing.
Yes, the pancakes are huge. I'm happy.
And the orange juice is fresh and cold. So good.
Then after we finish eating, the server asks, "Can I get you anything else?" Or, "How was everything?"
And we say, "Everything was great, thank you."
If we want the bill, we can say, "Could we have the check, please?" Or, "Check, please."
Yes, and in the US, we also leave a tip.
Right, usually around 15 to 20%.
So important. Please remember that if you visit the US.
Okay, Emma, question for you. What is your favorite restaurant food?
That's easy. Pizza. I love pizza. Pepperoni, extra cheese.
Nice. How do you order a pizza?
I'd say, "I'd like a pepperoni pizza, please. Extra cheese."
Perfect. Let's practice a full order together, like a role play.
Ooh, fun. You be the server, I'll be the customer.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
Hello, welcome to Sunny Cafe. What can I get you today?
Hi, I'd like the pancakes, please.
Sure. Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, I'll have orange juice, please.
Great. Anything else?
No, thank you. That's all.
Very nice order.
Thanks. Your turn. I'll be the server.
I'm excited.
Hi, are you ready to order?
Yes. Can I have eggs and toast, please? And a cup of coffee with milk.
Of course. Would you like your eggs scrambled or fried?
Scrambled, please.
Perfect. Your order will be out soon.
Yay! Great job, Emma.
You too. And see, it's easy.
Yeah. You don't need perfect grammar. Just speak clearly.
And if you forget a word, it's okay. You can point at the menu. You can use your hands. People understand.
Exactly. Communication is the goal, not perfection.
So what is the most difficult part of ordering food for beginners?
I think listening. Sometimes servers talk fast, and restaurants can be loud.
True. If you don't understand, you can say, "Sorry, could you say that again?" Or, "Can you speak a bit slower, please?"
Very useful.
And remember, eating out should be fun. Enjoy the experience.
Yes, food makes people happy.
Exactly. And learning English while eating food, even better.
So, today's takeaway, take your time, use simple phrases, be polite, and enjoy your meal.
Well said, John.
Thank you. Now, talking about food made me hungry again.
Me too. Should we go order something for real?
Absolutely. Pancakes, here we come.
Yes. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.